Hey everybody. So this is obviously for cars, but I can still walk through here. And I wanted to show you just a lot of memories back here. I just have a lot of memories back here because I don't know. I used to go back here when I was younger, going through a lot of things in my life, and this was my little escape. I would just walk back and forth through this whole thing and listen to music to try to make myself feel better. And it wasn't easy, but I got through it. So this is right between Kings Point and Lakes of Delray, where there's this canal here. Really like a low running river almost. It's pretty big. It goes pretty far and it's pretty wide. But it's a canal, so the grass is usually a lot higher. They started mandating it, I think, ever since they put that blockade up back there. So cars could drive through here when they want to fish or something. That's why it opens up. But this grass used to be pretty high, and I would have to walk through it. And there's a lot of dragonflies and other types of little creatures running around. But yeah, just beautiful stuff. I was going to talk about how great God's nature is and stuff like that, but I want this to be a video where anybody can come and just watch, and whether you're an atheist or you're a Buddhist or you're a Muslim or whatever you are, even a Satanist. I just want you to come and watch a video of just me talking about stuff, me walking through nature. I just wanted it to be a nice video. Where everyone is welcome. Once in a while you'll see iguanas. That was one right there. See, that was an iguana. There's black ones and green ones and orange ones. I don't know if there's any blue ones, but that'd be kind of cool. But there's a lot of green ones that run up and down. They swim like Godzilla in the Godzilla movie. The one from like 2001 or something. 1998, I don't know. They swim like that. That's how they swim. There's birds and stuff drying off their wings, so we don't really want to scare them. So I'll step over this way. But yeah, look how green this is. So bright. It picks up on the camera pretty well too, surprisingly. It's greener than that in real life, but it still picks it up pretty well. But yeah, look, see how the grass is way higher over there? That's how it used to be over here, but it was even higher than that. Yeah. And this used to be all bushes, but they cut a lot of the bushes down so you could see the neighborhoods and stuff. I guess people like to look across and stuff. So it makes sense because that's where they started mandating the grass on that side and then this side. So that way they don't have to see outgrown grass and stuff. So that makes sense. I didn't make that connection until just now, but they left it on the sides. You can see there, they left it on the sides there. But yeah. Sorry if I'm too loud. I wanted to have my headset in because I don't know, it's really windy out here, and I just wanted to make sure you could hear me. I know that it probably still picks up the wind, but trust me, it would be a lot better than if I were to not have my headset plugged in. So look at this bird. He's just chilling, doing funny stuff. I don't know why they do that. And maybe he's looking for a mate or something. Hope he finds one. This stuff. Man, that bird sounds funny. That bird right there sounds like he's got a squeaker in his throat. Sounds like a clown nose or something. Sounds like he's honking. Yeah, you could tell people drive through here sometimes. I don't even know. This isn't even driving marks. I don't know what this is. It's like someone just slugged along until it all died or something. But yeah. see it all grown over here. It's a nice sense of security to know that nature can kind of close things up like that. Spiders will do that. If you put a hole in something, spiders will cover it up with a web sometimes. Nature has a way of rebuilding things. Look at that red. See how red those are. They get even redder than that too, because I've seen them. I have one at the other house in Lake Worth. Yeah. But everything's cultivated over here. You can kind of see it's all sloped in and cut back and stuff. Looks a little awkward actually the way that's cut, but maybe they're doing something with it. Yeah, palm trees are so beautiful. They remind me of like the cowboy spurs that people have on their boots. You know? Or those like 70s pants, you know? Those spurs that they have on the sides. Here's a fun fact. The metal wheel on the bottom of cowboy boots with the spikes on it is made to make your horse go faster. You hit your horse with your boot and it goes faster. Or it slows down, whatever you trained it to do. I don't know if it serves any other purpose other than that, but yeah. But yeah. Yeah, see. That's Lake Sedell right there. And that's Kings Point. So now you can start to see the grass is getting a little higher and stuff. I guess they don't really cut this far back, but that's okay. It's better that way. I don't really like it. I don't really like it all cultivated sometimes. Kind of like it outgrown a little bit. But you're supposed to cultivate the land anyway, so. At least that's what the Bible says, I don't know. God created man to cultivate the land. You're not supposed to let it get all outgrown and stuff. Reminds me I gotta mow the grass when I get back. Oh, there's another bird right there. This turned into kind of like a bird watching vlog. I don't really bird watch. I used to have a friend named Adam who would bird watch, take pictures of birds and stuff. He was a cool cat. He was a strange cat, but he was cool. Loud and full of energy. Kind of looked like Elvis. I mean, he looked exactly like Elvis, but he had darker skin and he was shorter and definitely did not have the body of Elvis, but he had the face. Oh, there's another one. Look at that. That was a beautiful, beautiful creature. So green. These power lines here. You can see the dead roots on the poles. I guess that's not really a pole, but it's more like a tower. These poles are more rounded, but yeah. Yeah, I used to go through a lot of tough things. I went through a lot of emotional turmoil along this grass. I found my sense of security, found my sense of safety here and there. It was not easy. It was hard. Sometimes I would just about let go and I'd keep holding on, or all that stuff, all that fun stuff you go through when you're growing up. It's not easy, it's hard. It's very hard, but you look back on it and you say, hey, I got a story to tell, you know? And it's a nice story. It's good to share your hardships sometimes. It builds character, builds, strength. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. It also makes you a little crazier and maybe a little more harmful to society, but You don't have to let it do that, but oh boy, the memories of this, going back and forth, and all those thoughts that ran through my head, and all those things that happened. It's so crazy to be here and think about that. But this is a new journey, I guess. Okay, well, this is where my little vlog ends. So, yeah. Thank you for watching my video. I love you. Look at this little thing flying around. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll be back in a flash. Thank you.